Cash flow planning is important for all businesses, but especially important for small and medium-sized businesses. It's been said that cash is king, or at least can be king. Therefore, a good cash flow plan is crucial. And it's not a difficult task to do. If you follow a few simple rules, then you will have a good cash flow plan. The first rule is that on your cash sources or your inflows, that you be conservative here. You want to make sure that they're achievable and readily attainable. You want to make sure that you're not too optimistic when it comes to projecting your sales. And also you've got to remember that when you're projecting your sales to factor in your receivables, as all cash and all sales are not equal, that cash and credit cards are different from your term sales. Then when we get to the cash uses or your outflows, you want to include all of your consistent, predictable expenses, and then use history to think about your variable type expenses. You need to include any lump sum payments or any debt payments, but exclude non-cash items such as depreciation. Also, another area or another rule that you need to think about is allowing or adjusting for growth. This is where we've seen a lot of businesses fail. When you're going to have growth in your business, there's going to be increased costs, obviously, as well, and those costs are going to come before your sales. You may have to purchase new equipment, have additional labor, whatnot, and you've got to allow for that. The last rule we would talk about is planning for the unexpected. Things are going to happen and you need to have a plan in place for those things. You might be able to rely on your line of credit here to free up some additional cash, but you need to be careful on that line of credit. Following those simple rules will help in developing a good cash flow plan, and then you will have a good, successful business.